pictures clearly shows the waterlogging and bad health of human life. This is due to improper drainage system. The purpose of choosing this project is waterlogging and poor drainage system. This is a flood map which shows that if a waterlogging is there, then there will be severe effects on human life. This is a picture which shows the excess rain and blocking of routes due to massive construction. From this picture, we can clearly notice the loss of human life. Now let's come to the topic, what is the main cause of waterlogging converting into floods? Urban flood occurs when water flows into an urban region faster than it can be absorbed into the soil. Earlier, a city received such amounts of rainfall in 2 or 3 weeks. Heavy downpours have been disturbing normal life in almost all metro cities in India. Problems and solution. How I get the idea? As I see towards environment and many things accidents, and the major problem is this: the dengue and malaria, the diseases like this spread very easily. Our project name is Smart Drainage Management and System. Introduction. In this, a scientific drainage system to catch the flood water is a long-term needed to the society, particularly in cities. Urbanization along with the imperial structure is one of the major causes of the flooding in urban areas. Principle involved. We have used the concept of drainage system at 90 degrees beneath the earth. When rain sensor detects the rainfall density, it opens according to it. Due to gravitational pull, earth pulls the water downwards through pipes which can collect it to the outskirts of city in drainage or dams. Material used. We have used wooden ply, PVC pipes, cardboard, grass, microcontroller board, soil and sensor, etc. Application. It will stop waterlogging at the road. If water gets the proper drainage system, then there will be less chance of flood. Due to outpour of water from dams results to flood, it will reduce the chance of flood. Diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. will spread in very lesser manner. There is no waterlogging. Future implementation. pH sensor will replace the soil sensor so that proper amount of water will pour automatically according to the crops, which results into drip irrigation. At the storage tank side, a turbine setup will there so that energy for the road light can be generated from here. A filtration plant will set up at the conservation tank. Now let's come to the working.
Namaste, my name is Lavika and I am studying in Sanskar School. I am in 10th standard. Now I am going to demonstrate the project Smart Drainage Management and System. Let's now see how it works. In this prototype we have used LED, rain sensor module, LCD, ultrasonic sensors, LDR, and here we have used servo motors. There can be two cases when this drainage system will work. First, when there is rainfall. When some droplets of water will go on rain module, it will automatically open the drainage system. And in the second case, there is a waterlogging. In this, when the water level increases gradually, it will open the doors of drainage system automatically. This is due to the overflow of dams water.
This is the LDR module. It detects the presence of light. When it's dark, it will automatically switch on the traffic lights, and when it is not dark, it will automatically switch off the lights. This is a servo motor which controls the position of the LED. This is the Bluetooth. It can control this device from a remote area, and this are all the wires. This is the underneath drainage system which is connected to the outskirts of dams or reservoir.
Right now I explained you the drainage system. Now I am going to explain you the water conservation system.
This is a rain sensor which will automatically tell the servo motor to open the drainage system, harvesting system, which will automatically gives the water to the underground drainage system, and this water can be conserved into two ways. First, when there is a temperature sensor which will automatically tell the temperature of the house, and if in case of fire it will automatically on the motor and water will come in the house. Second case, in the farm, this is a smart farm. Here we have connected the soil sensor which will automatically tells that in this soil there is the need of water or not. If there is a need of water, it will automatically on the motor and give the water to the farm.